LeBron.
Congrats to you, LeBron and Caitlin, and congrats to us for living in Ohio in March and getting this kind of weather on this day.
It's amazing.
Beautiful.
It's not bad. It's not bad, guys. And we're kind of coming out of what is meteorological winter. So December, January, and February, which means we got some fun stats to look at. If you've been around at all, you've noticed that we did not have a ton of snow at all through that time frame. Through that 3-month period, we came in just over 30 inches below average for snowfall. Precipitation as a whole, actually just about a ½ an inch below average. Just most of that fell as rain rather than snow. We only had 4 days for the entire 3 months where we had an inch or more of snowfall. So not a lot of snow to speak of. Plenty of very warm days that we've had, and today is going to be another one of those. We've been close to some record high temperatures this afternoon. 73 right now. So far on the observations, we've hit 74 for Cleveland Hopkins. 76 is going to be the record. We'll get the official numbers in the next hour or so, but still a fantastic afternoon out there. We're sitting in the 70s. We've got a good breeze coming in from the south. If you haven't had a chance to get outside already today, make a plan to do so. As we get into the evening hours, we are solidly tapping into some warm air for right now, but if you notice off to the west on the other side of Lake Michigan, there's another very quick change in temperatures that's going to be heading our way as we get into the rest of the week. So that is part of a cold front. We've got some rain, snow falling across the UP of Michigan, down through Wisconsin into Iowa. All of that is going to be marching our way as we go through tomorrow, and that's going to mean that temperatures are going to be changing through the evening. Overnight, though, no concern for us. We are going to stay very warm, just a few passing clouds. Temperatures only dropping back into the 50s tonight, which is above our average highs for this time of year. National Design Mart hour-by-hour forecast tomorrow. Very mild start to the day. Just a chance we see a stray sprinkle during those early morning hours. It's still going to be well above average tomorrow. I think most of us go for 60s, close to 70 again through the afternoon. We'll see at least a chance for some showers, especially as we get into tomorrow afternoon and evening. We'll see that chance get a little bit higher heading towards lunchtime and beyond. We'll see a few showers, maybe a few rumbles of thunder sparking up with this as well. So we'll keep that chance around as we go through the afternoon and evening hours. That could impact that evening commute for some of us. A chance for some showers lingering into the evening hours. Could see a stray shower through the overnight. And even as we get into Wednesday, it's also going to usher in some cooler conditions as we get into Wednesday. Instead of that warm southerly breeze, we're going to have a chilly north wind to contend with on Wednesday, and it's going to be a noticeable difference in temperatures. Union Home Mortgage 7-day forecast. We're going to look at just 50 or 40s rather for us on Wednesday with a chance for some lingering showers. We do improve back into the upper 50s to near 60 by Friday. We'll bring back another system as we get into the weekend. That one's going to mean another cool down and potentially at least a few areas of snow mixing in on Sunday as we see the difference in those sunrise sunset times for the start of next week, guys.
Yeah, that later sunset will be nice.
Absolutely.
And what would a week in March be if we didn't see 70s and 30s?
70s, 40s, 50s, 30s. We're just going to flip a coin and see what happens in the next week.
We are all over. Okay, Jessica, thanks. We'll see you next half hour.